In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Monday.com data with a simple and straightforward process. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, securing your data is crucial. Let's dive in and ensure your important information is safe. First, let's start from your Monday.com homepage. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, we're looking to select Administration. You might notice some other handy options here like My Profile or Help, but for today, we'll focus on Administration. After clicking on Administration, you'll be guided to a new page where you'll see several administrative settings. Next, you'll want to click on Account, which is crucial for managing different aspects of your Monday.com settings. Clicking here will bring up a new set of options related to your account management. Among these account settings, look for the option labeled Export. This feature allows you to back up your data by exporting it to a safe location. Let's go ahead and click on Export. Once selected, Monday.com will prepare the data for download, and you'll receive a notification indicating that the process is underway. Now, this is an important part to remember. A download link will be sent directly to your registered email address associated with your Monday.com account. Make sure to check your email inbox and sometimes your spam folder, just in case the email ends up there. This email will contain the link needed to download your data backup securely. Once you see the email, simply open it and click on the provided download link. This will typically initiate the download process and save the data as a file on your computer. I recommend saving it in a location that's easy to remember and secure, such as a backup folder or an external storage device. And there you have it, a complete overview of how to back up your Monday.com data. Regularly backing up your data is a best practice to prevent data loss and ensure you're always prepared for any unexpected changes. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Monday.com support is a great resource to reach out to for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your data backup needs on Monday.com.